Yurt, and we back. Got a 1 hour buy opportunity based off this candle retracing and wicking past the opening of the last candle and closing a significant amount, posing as a buy opportunity. So they gave you the signal on the closure of the 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time hourly candle, and now I'm waiting on something on the lower time frames to signify me to get into the trade. Right now I'm thinking it's going to be the 5-minute as we engulf the previous 5-minute candle, and if it does, I'll take that. But it's interesting to see what price is doing, where it's going to go, because now it passed it. All right, we still got 2 full minutes. So now it's like, do I set a market pending and let it come back and pick me up? Or is it too late? So there's a lot of emotions, there's a lot of mixtures. How I feel and what I'm trying to do right now. I think, how much time we got left? Still got a minute. See, as these blue indicators start appearing, they're showing me the buy opportunity. But this could easily sell back down. The move is on pound dollar, man. I had pound dollar in the bag. And it's alright. Price came back and wicked me out at entry, had my SL at entry. I moved it too early. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is enter into the trade, still risking 5%, of course. Going for a 2-to-1. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Still got a little bit of time left in this candle. Still got 40 seconds, but I like the, I hit the wrong button. That's what I say. I like the idea. I like the analysis. Bro, I did it again. Okay. That's because I got it on the other screen. I'm trying to do too much, trying to be different. Okay, now we're in the trade. Or at least the limit order is set. Going for a 2-to-1. I'm going to go ahead and move that second one. Target up for the day, just in case it tries to get spicy. Make it to the highs of the week, pretty much. So I made a pretty strong statement and closed. Now we want to see, does it come back? Because I'm not market executing that. I'm not that guy. But it did do it on Tech and SPX as well. So it's interesting. You gotta, choose how you feel. We don't have a signal on SPX and limit on Tech. We only have it on Euro. Which, from a far perspective, I can definitely see it's coming back up to, what is this? 997, these 380, these 400 areas from where price is. I can definitely see that. Playing this like that. A lot more tight. 2-to-1 that thing. That looks plausible. I need a 15-minute candle to close. We need another 5-minute candle to stay above 50%, but we also needed to come back and pick us back up because we're not in the trade. That's an engulfing on SPX. It's like, do I take the engulf even though there wasn't an hourly signal? Or do I just stay with the one that I'm already on EU? I think I stay with EU. And I let it come back and pick me up. At least, 50% or something. Right? You gotta show me some type of retracement. You close. Hip hip hooray. I'm gonna go ahead and let's see, open cal. We'll play the engulfing. Let's go ahead and risk 5%. I'll go ahead and take that. We got 2-1. Take the market pending off. Up a trade. So I'm in there. Going for a 2-1. And then I also have the buy limit still placed as well. Trying to really see how far price is going to retrace, if it's going to retrace. Right now I got my first entries around the 20%, the 236. And then if it comes back 30 to 60%, I got some more limits placed as well. Now you want to see this agree and continue up from here. I'm also trying to look and make sure this is agreeing, but make sure the dollar is overall agreeing. I like how strong this close was. If this can stay below that, rejecting these 113 completely, yeah, that'd be nice. This hourly was huge. You know what I'm saying? You have to have the stops above here though. Don't be greedy and have my stops just right here. I need to risk higher, so that says a lot for my EU trade. Can't be greedy and just put my risk here. I gotta risk it a little bit lower if need be. If need be. But I can at least play the 1-to-1 off this first. Alright. I can at least play that. I'm gonna go hard. Can't even cap. Try to make sure what I'm doing in here is logical. And it's the easy move, not the hard move. It's easy to see. I got signal on signal, which I have the hourly right now, but that's it. Man, where are them things at? They're so small. It's pulling back towards my limit order. Okay. Okay, limit order active. Okay. It's challenging. It's definitely challenging. Is the resistance going to stay active here? Is what we're pretty much taking right here. Wait, what's being measured here? This thing is so off, I swear. So it's back 50% right now. So this is what's being measured. So if you're gonna go from like a bearish perspective, then you would have needed to take the entry right here at the closure or pasture of this wick, stops above, and then taking it down. Let's see if you're agreed with this supply up here, tracking to take it down. But I'm looking at it more of the demand lower here, pretty much from this. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Trying to take it up rather than sell. The sell was off of here. Came in right here and boom, confirmed it down. Now I need this to confirm. 2 minutes left. This one right here needs to stay hovering above that 50%. Need to get something back above. This right here needs to supply me back in. There you go. There we go. The rejection. The rejection. Pound dollar is going crazy right now. I'm so jealous. I'm so jealous. It's alright. Pound dollar never really gave a signal. I was just taking that one off the whim, but I was in. Okay. So euro dollar must confirm here. We got 35 seconds. Pound dollar is going crazy. Past the 2-to-1. Doing exactly what it didn't I say the weekly highs? I could have sworn I said that. Just needs to confirm me in. Confirm me in, coach. Is this my entry? I think I'm gonna take it. As it's retracing, it's getting more and more juicier. My finger missed. Was that a sign? Oh no, it came back. It's hovering. My heart's beating. I'm not even in the trade. Breathe. Take your time. Ease it through. I am in the trade. Doofus. Somebody don't enter this other position. It's really heavy. Is it worth it? You know what I'm saying? You got the signals. You even got another closure on the 15-minute here. This one right here. So now it's really about kind of believing in your analysis almost. 1, 2, 3. This is the third candle. Let's see here. It's coming from Griffin. Kind of trying to look at the 1 minute, rejecting back down. Okay. Still seeing a lot here. Can I respect these lows? Can you turn around? 1 minute in, 11:06. No, just a third candle. Close 15, 16, we're on 17. Here we go. Can we get a turnaround on this third? Can we engulf? Can we see any type of strength here? Anything to confirm? We've had a 1 hour, we have had a 15 and a 5. Can we confirm? On a third of the 5. On a third on the 1 minute candle. Are we going to confirm? Can we finally enter in here? I think we're safe to enter. Oh, no, the rejection. The rejection is crazy. Wow. Still not in the trade. Last 2 candles. No type of strength here. Still rejection. Patience. Patience is a virtue. That's tough. That's tough. Still not in. Well, I'm in the trade. I'm not into it with my other positions. Currently, I got stops beneath. Then go for the 5. And then I'm looking at it from a 15-minute perspective as well. I have my stops below this. Hopefully demand shooting price up. That's what I'm looking for. We're not getting any of that. Okay, last candle. Here we go. Any type of anything here. No. Interesting. Looking at here's the dollar, right? Okay, open up the new 5-minute candle. Let's see if it tricks us. See if it gains momentum out of nowhere, which it looks like it's doing. Still got 2 more 5-minute candles. And this current 15-minute one. Interesting, man. I'm telling you. Price is doing some interesting things. The dollar right here does look like it is decreasing, which gives me belief that the euro will continue increasing. That's what I want to see. Okay, I'm in the trade. So I'm entering and pretty much trying to see this as an engulf. Got it in early, for sure. So I'm trying. Now let's figure out which one is going to be pretty much our real entry candle, because it's not the hourly unless you consider it wick to wick. The 15-minute presented this one. Dollar now continuing to go bearish. Pound did its move early. Euro continuing up. This was the higher time frame one. It held. I'm gonna delete it. But this is showing what we're doing here. I'm gonna actually bring that one back. Make this one a different color. Euro looking nice. So I got multiple positions in right now, which is going to be my first target level. I'm pretty sure I'm measuring a 5-minute engulf. I'm measuring this. So we're going to use this to determine our targets, which our first level is here. So the arrows signify my signals. What I was trying to identify, the white arrows identifying the closure of the 10 a.m. candle, which I will now highlight the low. We're going to drag it 1, 2, 3 candles out and extend it to outline that. Hopefully it comes up to the 2-to-1 range, so that's where I'm going to extend the box. Put this one over so we can see what we're identifying here. I'm pretty much highlighting my trading range as well. The next thing I'm trying to identify, okay, so it's the 1, 2, the next, so this is the 1 hour signal. This is the 15-minute engulf. So we had, once again, this one closing. It was not an engulf, but it did go up real fast and then come back down, which is what this is showing on the 5-minute. So I was a signal on the 1 hour, but then I needed a lower minute time frame signal to confirm that. So then this 5-minute candle closed up here again. So price came up here, rejected back down, came up here, rejected back down again. And I said, okay, now I need to confirm. Am I going to get into the trade or not? So then as price was pulling up past here, I had a buy limit. And then it finally closed up here, but I got in somewhere here in between. I'm kind of at break even here now. As I drag the screen on here to now show you, those are my levels and everything, going mainly for the 1-to-1 and 2-to-1 and some kind of extended levels. But the main thing, I'm going to take the levels away. I'm going to take also the history away. We're going to just pay attention to what we need. I'm going to put this on so I can delete the fib if need be. And our entry level being here. Change the screen real quick. Change that screen real quick. So now, when I go to the higher time frames, I can assort the fib. Where I don't even want to see on the hourly. I really don't even want to see it past the 15. Now when I come to the 15-minute, it's just it's a cleaner view. I can see what I'm looking at. I see where my targets are. I like MK, Magic Key, showing me how much I'm in profit. So the idea here, right, you see this bullish impulse, price retraced, it held to what looks like there's demand right here. Right, same thing how we were looking at price to close this wick in here. This was our first signal on the hourly. Price retraced and then gave you the 5-minute signal and then gave you another 5-minute signal as it was closing past here. I put a buy limit, it didn't come, but I market executed here. And now we're in the trade and profit, about 10 to 30% above where the closure of our engulfing closed. I actually was about to be done with the trade because this was 3 candles after the engulfing. That's usually 5, 10, 15 minutes after, but now we're getting a continuation. Looks like it's going to be a good trade. I believe in it. Especially after this wick down again and then is now continuing up again. That looks very nice. In fact, I'm thinking about, let's see, up too late. Let's see, I'll do something. I'm gonna do something like, we'll just do like 3%. Something like, so we're not being like extra greedy. Why didn't it work? Well, it worked that time. Well, I think his price was too close. As in, it was right on it. I could have market executed it. That's alright. I'm in good profits. I'm chilling. Price is agreeing. Let's go review this, because technically, if I'm going to be using... Let's actually make another chart here. Let's make another EU. Let's bring on our things. That's not the same chart. Where's my template here? That is not the same chart. Where are my white candles at? I thought I specifically... There we go. No, it wasn't tripping. But no, we were going to make this second template blank. Right? And if we take off my now let's leave it like that. So I can see all my crazy target levels. These up here are representing for me these extra, like, I'll show you, levels. So these are my higher positions, which I'm really trying to focus everything around these two. And then I don't know why I was being greedy with those, but let's bring these in. Let's tie these in. All right, everything is mainly focused around this first 1-to-1 level right here. That's the main focus. And then the second main focus is right here, around this 2-to-1. If I can grab this other target level, it's not really letting me. There it goes. I think it's around this one. Are there multiple in there? Oh snap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that buy limit got activated. Oh wait, hold on. Oh no, wait, yeah, that was tripping me out. Yeah, I was saying that was tripping me out. That was definitely tripping me out. Okay. Boom, let's go. Our TP1 just got hit. We're gonna go break even. I'm pretty sure here. Yeah, I'm about to go break even. I'm bringing everything to a close here. Ooh, that's tragic though. Look how what price is trying to do me. So let's take this off, right? Okay. Boom. Let's go. Massive pressure. Massive pressure. So this is continuing up. That means where are we at? The dollar is now continuing to drop, breaking the lows, continuing down further past the Asian session lows. Yes, decreasing, giving you that euro strength. Pound going crazy. Man, that pisses me off. I'm sorry. Nah, it's good. That's good. That's good. Because it shows you the analysis that I said. I don't think I was on camera. Right? I don't think I was on camera. I don't know. I don't remember. Because I'm in a trade already that's doing great. You know what I'm saying? Giving me massive profits. I can actually pull it up like us, like for us here. So you can see. Why doesn't it show? I don't think it's showing the right thing. Oh, there it goes. Oh, if I pull it down, it doesn't work. So I'll pull it over here. Let's do it like that. So now we're in good profits. I'm actually gonna close. Half of me wants to close the trade, half of me wants to leave it running. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close. Okay, so I'm not gonna close half. I close 25%. Instead of 50%, I'll close 25%. We're gonna let the runs run to the 2-to-1. And we're gonna really explain this trade, right? If this was my signal, first signal, the white arrow, the yellow arrow is my second signal, and the aqua arrow right here represents my actual entering into the market. All right, 1, 2, 3, buckle my shoe. Where's the white arrow? Okay, the 5 minute just be tripping. Let's clean this up a little bit because I just realized I wasn't looking at the. That's a lot better. Okay. Actually, no, let's leave it so you can see what's going on this side. And then I'll move this one. This way. Cool. Okay. Pippin', boy, we pippin'. Straight pip and hold up. So now I'm waiting for an exit signal before I close out any more positions or do anything else. And any other. So right now, for an exit signal for me, it has to close beneath the 5 EMA, which I will now add an alert for. If option crosses down, EURUSD crosses down the 5 EMA per bar close. Say EU first exits. First exit signal. So what I'm seeing and liking is pretty much these moves right here are just duplicating themselves slightly, which is what you want to see. The only one that really gave the indication was going to happen was with the dollar and euro. Pound dollar gave something on the smaller time frame, and I was just because I was observing and watching it the whole time. Tech and SPX, tech and the S&P really we're getting a deeper pullback on EU, so some strength. So it's interesting because you know you have SPX still below its daily We're getting some strong pullback on the dollar. That's why he's losing this string. Okay, let's do this. Give me $2 off that one. $2 off that one. Boom. I did not mean to close the full thing. I just hit the wrong button, dude. I just goofed so hard. Oh, that's tough. That's alright. I'm now positive for the day. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. I like how German 30 is gaining shit. There goes tech. There goes tech. I mean, not tech. S&P. I'm trying to see if it's giving me an entry signal, though. It really hasn't. It really has not. Kind of guess you would have just had to been sniping on the lower time frame. Saw this big giant engulf. Waited for the retrace. And played the demand. Played it like how Doyle be playing it. It's really pushing too. Kind of how let's see. Let's replay it. You know what I'm saying? So we got the bearish move. It's moving pretty fast. Drop. Here's New York open, 10 a.m. Alright. Comes back and tests that supply. Rejects it, engulfs it. Okay. Secure their bag. And price engulfs that again, comes back and tests, and then takes off. But notice how before it takes off, it's rejecting right below the 50% of the day. Right? This Asian range session makes a difference. But you have to come to a conclusion at some point in time and say, hey, this is what I'm going to do. And this is what price did. So when price came back 50% here, you had one job to get into the trade and secure it, your entry, so you can get a better risk to reward. Because now this turned from you being scared or entering it in early at a 1-to-1 to now being smart and having executed idea reasoning to making it a 3-to-1. Now let's say you're scared as well, but you still want confirmation. Okay, still a 1-to-1. But then if you're realistic and you about it, you can still, draw your risks down. It's about managing your risk. Yes, you want to leverage correctly, but when you leverage correctly and you manage your risk correctly, I can now go from me leveraging correctly and doing the 1-to-1 to it making an advanced entry. Boom. An advanced entry with advanced patience becomes what? Boom. You know what I'm saying? Advanced entry with advanced patience becomes what? Boom. You know what I'm saying? Timed and spaced repetition. Timed and spaced repetition. So, let's go. Now just wait it out. Patiently waiting. Let's actually bring it up. Let me do this. So these are the positions we got open, right? We're waiting for it to go and head towards that 2-to-1, so I can close both of these out. These lower lot positions, these 0.02s, but this bigger position, which is holding most of our money, is in that deeper. And I want it to come to 2.5, give me about $56, where I'm gonna really close it If I can get 50, I'm good. I'm straight. I'm not gonna be greedy. If I can get $50, I'm good. Boom. Really pretty much, and what that's saying, what I'm looking for is price breaking the highs to the left. So let's break this down. Let's break it down, break it down, break it down. And it's also, ooh, I forgot about that, your origin. Alright, let's make a different color. Let's go purple. You got your origin, your 1, your 2, and this right here is just an extended, right, low, high, low, high, low. Ooh, that was a move right here. These are lower highs right here. That was a move. Swept this low, low, boom, high. Now it's about that. I'm looking for it to really now engulf here, right? At least that's what it's acting like. That's what it's looking like. That's what it's pump faking like. It's gonna be interesting to see though, because now my eye sees something a little bit different. What am I trying to remove? There's the kill zone? No, the kill zone is opening my eyes to the weekly open. So right here is where the weekly open is at, right? Let's go. Price is doing exactly what they need to be doing. Let's go. Look at the indies. He's going crazy right now. I kind of want to just put a buy in on tech just because. Can I see this staying positive for the day? I can. I definitely can. I don't have a signal to enter, but hot diggly dog, I'm trying my best not to get FOMO because I'm not in at all. I guess the signal was down here, and I saw the only signal was on SPX, and it's done doing this 2-to-1 right now. Should have entered into that one. Yeah, it just hit this 2-to-1. That's crazy. Okay, euro dollar just moving a little bit slower. Oh, well, I didn't take that 15-minute one. Which one did I take? I took this one. No. Where am I at right now? Which one did I take? Oh, okay. I'm looking at it like this. Okay, so from a 5-minute perspective, that makes sense. From a 15-minute, it's already really, it's past this. I'm gonna kind of close 25% again, which I believe wasn't much. Really just gonna close this because it was really a janky move, or really not janky. My target's really kind of janky in the way I gotta get it, so I'm gonna close half here, which just went around $15. S&P doing it. S&P did a great job though. These were the two spotlighted setups. Catching this buy right here. This is why I love trading live. I didn't realize how fun trading was after all these years into just trading live, watching the markets, being patient. Before I would try to do the thing where everyone says, set and forget. Set and forget, walk away. No, I'm gonna, well, I know he watches the market sometimes, I think. I don't know, I don't really know. But I know what I like is to be actively letting the market unfold, telling me. I remember just looking at this a second ago, back around 9:45, I was like, man, there's nothing in the market right now. When we were still in here, Price had to rally up, retest, literally 11:20, 11:15, which wasn't nothing but 20-ish minutes ago, to set me up. And it's still going. Just gotta be patient. And then trust your analysis in the process. Because this was shaky. This did not look the strongest. Like, this was just the move. Because that was not just a move. Anyways, we're still having good movement, good process. S&D here. And we hit the 1.618. I wasn't even paying attention. If you're looking down here, y'all looking. I wasn't looking. Just gonna keep taking partials just because I can. Let's go. That's how you wrap up the trading day. I didn't think it was going to be one, especially like from the 4-hour edge perspective. I'm not going to lie. It worked out, but it was rough, like squeezing myself in there. Like the 4-hour edge was here. Okay, and if this is the open, right, that's the open. How was I patiently waiting for Paris to provide something? Because it did jolt down. It did open, jolt down, do something crazy. I saw this. Saw it sweep the lows. But then 10 a.m. opened. I liked how 10 a.m. opened. Responded well and then closed great. Wicked up here. It didn't close great. It closed good. It gave the signal. And then that's when I was waiting on the 5-minute to give me something, or the 15-minute. Because if this was the hourly signal, right, we were waiting on the 15-minute. The 15-minute didn't do it until 11:15. The 5-minute did it at specifically between 11:15. I think it was like 11:16, 11:17, 11:30 is when I believe the 15-minute closed and confirmed. Right, boom, the closure of the 11:15 candle. So 11:30 is when that one kind of confirmed. This one confirmed around 15, 16, 17 right here. Here, I'll even go down to the 1 minute so we can see. Right here in this area, as this was engulfing, breaking these highs. Accumulated here and price engulfed. Came back and even retested again. Perfectly breaking that. You see this dash line? That's the 4-hour open. Price still moving. Our open, boom. Jeez. Let's go. It's about to hit the 2-to-1. Let's go. It did it. Let's go. Let's go. I just closed half. Bro, let's go, man. Let's go. Close half again. Close another $5. Just kind of letting it run now. Taking partials as I go. Like $43 for the day. Man, what a comeback! Cause I was definitely down 20ish. What was that? I was down $20 to $30. Now I'm up $43. Definitely had that leverage 25. Let's go. Look at that 2.5. That was the main thing I was trying to hit to. Boom. I accidentally closed that position early, but hey, I secured the bag. Can't never go wrong with securing the bag. Boom. Let's go. right at $50, like I said. Let's go, man. I'm done. I'm off. T-Money out.